Did you know that the woodpecker is a bird that loves to peck on trees? That's right. It's their favorite pastime. But why do they do it? Well, they peck on trees to find food, like insects and other small creatures. They also use their strong beaks to create nests in trees. The woodpecker is a bird that's really good at climbing trees. They can climb up and down trees really quickly, thanks to their sharp claws. And guess what? They can even fly. They use their wings to help them fly from tree to tree. The woodpecker is a bird that loves to make a lot of noise. They use their beaks to create a loud, rhythmic sound called a drum. They do this to communicate with other woodpeckers and to find mates. Now, let's talk about the woodpecker's appearance. They have a long, pointed beak, which is perfect for pecking on trees. They also have a strong neck and a sturdy body. And did you know that woodpeckers come in different colors? Some are black, while others are brown or even red. So, there you have it, kids. The woodpecker is a fascinating bird with unique behaviors and appearances. I hope you enjoyed learning about them as much as I did. Remember, always be kind to animals, and let's keep exploring the wonderful world around us. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.